Understitching is the best method used when sewing the lining to your bodice. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to sew the lining to your bodice and how to easily understitch. So I have my back pieces for my bodice. As you can see, this is the main fabric. Then I also have my front piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my front piece on top of the right sides of the back pieces. Then I'm going to stitch on the shoulder seams. So I'm just going to take the sewing machine and stitch on the two shoulder seams. So I'm going to do the same on my lining. I have my front and back lining of bodice. I'm going to place my back pieces, as you can see. Then that's the center back for the zipper. Then I'll place the front lining over the, and then I'll stitch over the shoulder seams, similarly like we're going to do to the front. So I'm just stitching over the shoulder seams, as you can see me do. Then I'm going to do the same on the lining as well. Then after stitching the lining and the main fabric, this is what we have. This is my lining, or this is my main fabric, and this is my lining. So I'll place the lining on top of my main fabric, right sides facing. Then I'm going to stitch around the neckline, sew along the neckline. So I'll take the sewing machine, then I'm going to stitch along the neckline. Then after stitching, I'm going to understitch. So understitching is a technique that you use. You're going to take this is a seam allowance, take the seam allowance, push the seam allowance to the lining, then you stitch on top of the lining. So I'm just going to, this is the seam allowance, I'll take it over to the lining, I'll push it over to the lining, then I'm going to stitch on top of the lining. Keep in mind the seam allowance is under the lining. So I'm just stitching. The seam allowance is under the lining, then I'm stitching. Probably that's where the term under stitching comes from. So I'm just going to stitch. As you can see, this helps to give a perfect look, because the lining is going to have some form of bulk and the lining will not be coming out. Then I'm going to press and we're going to have our perfect finished bodice. So guys, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. So the last thing to do is just press your neckline with the pressing iron and you have your perfectly sewn neckline. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.